Welcome to Easy English Tales. Through fun family stories and simple conversations, perfect for A1-A2 beginners. Let's learn English together.
Emma, are you ready for your first day at a new school?
Not really, Dad. I am very nervous.
Why are you nervous?
I don't know anyone there.
Don't worry. Today might become one of the best days of your life.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Mom.
Today is a special day.
I know. It is my first day at a new school.
Are you excited?
A little. But I am also scared.
That is normal.
Are you ready?
Yes.
On the way, Emma looks out the window. She sees students walking to school.
Her heart beats faster.
Remember, everyone was new once.
I will try my best.
Emma arrives at her new school.
There are so many people.
You will be fine.
Welcome to our school. We are happy to have you here. Emma feels a little better.
Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher.
Today we have a new student. Emma, please introduce yourself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. I like reading books and learning English.
The students smile.
During break time, Emma sits alone. Hi, my name is Sophia. Hi, Sophia. Would you like to be my friend? Yes. Really? Of course.
Emma smiles happily. What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading stories.
Excellent answer.
Emma feels more confident. Sophia invites Emma to lunch.
The students talk and laugh together.
Oh no! Where is my notebook? Sophia helps her search.
Is this yours? Yes. Thank you very much. I can't wait to go back to school tomorrow.